Multiple choice questions on general studies and general abilities. Part 20. Question number 191. Which state implemented the Sri Dhanvantari generic medical store scheme? Option A Gujarat, Option B Assam, C Chhattisgarh, D Punjab. The answer is Chhattisgarh. Let us see the explanation. Jat- the Chhattisgarh government launched the Sri Dhanvantari Generic Medical Store Scheme in October 2021. It provides medicines at affordable rates to people based on below the poverty line card and is being implemented by the Urban Development Department. Discounts of 50 to 70 percentage are offered on medicines, life-saving and expensive drugs and medical equipment. Question number 192. Gurram Joshua, who was also known as People's Poet, is from which state? Option A Kerala, Option B Andhra Pradesh, Option C Assam, Option D Odisha. The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Explanation. Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy paid tributes to people's poet Gurram Joshua on his 127th birth anniversary. Joshua used verse poetry as a weapon to wage a war against superstitions and evil of untouchability being practiced in those times. He also fought against caste discrimination, poverty, and economic disparities. So the correct answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 193. What is the theme of the World Teachers Day 2022? Option A, teaching importance of sustainability. Option B, teaching equality. Option C, the change of education begins with teachers. Option D, leaving no one behind. The answer is the change of education begins with teachers. Explanation. October 5 is celebrated as World Teachers Day around the world. It is observed to express gratitude for the contribution of the teachers. The theme for World Teachers Day 2022 is the change of education begins with teachers. In 1994, UNESCO proclaimed October 5 as World Teachers Day. On this day, in 1966, the Intergovernmental meeting accepted the UNESCO recommendation on the status of teachers. So the correct answer is option C. The change of education begins with teachers. Question number 194. Which state won the first prize under the large states category under Swachh Surakshan Gramin? Short name is SSG 2022. Option A Tamil Nadu, Option B Telangana, Option C Maharashtra, Option D Karnataka. The correct answer is option B Telangana. Explanation. Telangana won The first prize under the large states category under Swachh Surakshan Gramin SFG 2022. Indian President Draupadi Murmu presented the awards which looked into the sanitation status of rural areas. Haryana was named the second and Tamil Nadu the third best state in the SSG Awards 2022. In the second phase of Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin, the aim is to make all 6 lakh villages in India free of open defecation. Question number 195. Swachh Bharat Divas is celebrated on which date in India? Option A October 2nd, option B October 4th, option C October 6th, option D October 8th. The correct answer is option A October 2nd. Explanation. October 2nd is celebrated as Swachh Bharat Divas across India. Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation, which organizes Swachh Bharat Divas 2022, implements two programs. One is Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin and Jal Jeevan Mission, that is JJM. President of India Draupadi Murmu confers the awards for Swachh Surakshan Gramin 2022, Swachhata Hi Seva 2022, Sujalam 1.0 and 2.0, 1.0 and 2.0, Jal Jeevan Mission JJM Functionality Assessment, Har Ghar Jal Certification and Startup Grand Challenge. So the correct answer is option A October 2nd. Question number 196. 7 states including Karnataka, Kerala and Andhra Pradesh celebrate their foundation day on which day? Option A November 1, option B November 3, option C November 5, option 4 November 7. The correct answer is November 1st. Explanation. 7 states including Chhattisgarh, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala and Andhra Pradesh and Union Territories of Chandigarh, Lakshadweep and Puducherry are marking their anniversaries on November 1st. So the correct answer is option A November 1st. Question number 197. When a tube light breaks, a cracking sound is produced because option A pressure inside the lamp is less than atmospheric pressure, option B pressure inside the lamp is more than atmospheric pressure, option C the lamp is filled with reactive gases, option D the lamp is filled with mercury vapor. The answer is option A. Pressure inside the lamp is less than atmospheric pressure. Explanation. A fluorescent lamp tube is filled with a gas containing low pressure mercury vapor and argon, xenon, neon or krypton. The pressure inside the lamp is around 0.3% of atmospheric pressure. So the correct answer is option A Pressure inside the lamp is less than atmospheric pressure. Question number 198. Which among the following acids is abundant in grapes, bananas, and tamarind? Option A, lactic acid. Option B, oxalic acid. Option C, salicylic acid. Option D, tartaric acid. The correct answer is option D, tartaric acid. Explanation: tartaric acid occurs naturally in many fruits such as grapes, bananas, tamarinds, and citrus. Its salt, potassium bitrate, commonly known as cream of tartar, develops naturally in the process of winemaking. It is commonly mixed with sodium bicarbonate and is sold sold as baking powder, used as a leavening agent in food preparation. The acid itself is added to foods as an antioxidant E334 and to impart its distinctive sour taste. So the correct answer is option D, tartaric acid. Question number 199. Which among the following plants is known as Indian ginseng? Option A, Pithenia somnifera. Option B, Datura setocaula. Option C, Iberis amara. Option D, Capsella bursa pastoris. The correct answer is option A, Withania somnifera. Let us see the explanation. Withania somnifera are commonly called as ashwagandha is known as Indian ginseng. Question number 200. Which of the following is the softest metal? Option A, cesium. Option B, lead. Option C, gold. Option D, silver. The correct answer is option A, cesium. Let us see the explanation. Cesium is extremely reactive metal. It reacts with water even at minus 116 degrees. It is the least electronegative element. Cesium is also the softest known metal. It is so soft that it can be cut with a butter knife. So the correct answer is option A, cesium. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.